Welcome back, everybody. We're slowing down because that Jeep's gonna piss me off. I already know it. The wind is blowing the water the wrong direction. I dig it. What is today? I just looked too. May 18th. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't tell you. I think it's the 18th. And we are on the river road because I really don't have a lot of time. We just got back from Ohio, which was really cool. Spent some time in Cleveland, spent some time in Lancaster, and it was good. So I haven't ridden in like 2 weeks, and it was calling. And I asked my wife if she wanted to come, and she said no. She said that you know, I haven't had any alone time in the last 2 weeks because I was either working or with family. So to go ahead and take the time. See, we're already catching up with that Jeep. I don't like that Jeep. I like that little piece of property. It is like super cool. Look at this guy. What are you doing there? You don't know? I don't know. They're just driving. They're just driving. Oh, we got someone on a Harley up there. And look, someone's mowing their dirt. They are definitely mowing the dirt, huh? Yeah, big birds. They are cool how they have white under their wings. I was going to say under their feathers. Definitely under their wings. Why are we crawling? Like, that Jeep is like crawling. I don't get it. That's a cool truck. Old school, square body, quad cab. You know when you're on an amazing road like the Dragen and you've got someone that's just like poking along below the speed limit? Oh, they got their chairs in the water. That'd be cool to go out and just chill in the river. And they won't like get out of your way. Yeah, that's this Jeep. I was down on the Dragen one year. It was the most frustrating I've ever been. So I went through the Smoky Mountains. I think I did Foothills Parkway, and it put me clear on the other side. So I came back down through the Smokies. I forget, you know, how I came back down, but I ended up back on the Dragen again to get to Sweetwater, Tennessee. That's a big old bull. Holy moly. Big old bull. And literally there was this dude from Florida, and I've been to Florida. There's really not a lot of twists and turns in Florida. And this dude was doing like 15 miles per hour, would not pull off, could not pass. What's going on, people? And there was just a train of people behind this slow dude. Oh, we got some tubers. Fly fishermen and some tubers. Nice. And if you've ever been on the Dragen as you're heading away from Robbinsville, North Carolina, and you're kind of heading toward that Harley Davidson that doesn't sell any motorcycles, it kind of opens up, you know, after you get down through the twisties. Like, we followed this guy forever. And then the guy decided that he was going to like stop right in the middle of the road to turn off. And like I said, there were all of these people trying to get around this guy, including sport bikes. So the sport bikes jump on it. I would have done the same thing, but they were like super close to me. And then when the guy stopped, I was like in the middle of, oh my goodness, because I couldn't go left because bikes were passing me. I couldn't go right because he stopped in the middle of the road and bikes were passing me on the right. I almost ran into that guy just because he would not get out of the way. It was crazy. So I guess the moral of the story is, if you're on the Dragen and you're just poking along, they have pull-offs. Just take the pull-off. See, and I was talking about Harley, and now we're coming up. I'm doing the speed limit right now. First gear. 20 miles per hour. Ay, ay, ay. People, people, people. They're just living. What can I say? They're just living. I think I hear their music too. We'll stay back. I've got enough copyright things against me. Hopefully they like pull off. They're going slow enough. I think she's recording on her phone. We're gonna do this. So I'm not dealing. I'm not dealing. I'll just slow down. You know what I'm saying? We got some people who are going down to the... Is that a road? Or a driveway? So now we're gonna have to go super slow because I don't want to catch up with them. I really don't. Okay, so we talked about the Dragen. We talked about slow people. Beautiful, right? So let's talk about this thing. It's a tablet. I got it because I don't want to have my phone. How you doing? How you doing? I can do that. You want to see? I don't know if I can or not. Oh yeah, yoy. It has been a very long week and my old bones are yelling at me. But see? Yeah, look at that. That's why I bought these floorboards, so I can stand up like I'm on an adventure bike. I dig these floorboards. So let's talk about that tablet. I got that tablet because my phone was overheating. It was a Samsung S22, and if I'm out and about, I need to make sure I have a phone that works, right? I'm in Texas. It gets up to like 104 degrees. So since then, what I've done is I've replaced that S22 with an S24 because I was having other issues with it. It was just a fairly old phone, right? So we'll see if the S24 overheats any, but I got that tablet. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Make sure no one's coming up behind me. I got that tablet, so it can be out in the heat. It has a whole bunch of vents on the back. Hopefully it runs cooler. I charge it with 5 volts. I don't know how many amps. Such a pretty place. So yeah, my thoughts are that this thing is going to run cooler, and then it has all the stuff. See, looking for something? It's like he lost something. He's looking. You know, it has CarPlay and Android Auto and all the stuff, so I can control my music with a hit of the button. And I'm getting very familiar with it because this is the same setup that I have in my pickup truck, if that makes sense. First time ever having this kind of technology, we can call it, in a vehicle. So to have it both on the Spider and the truck, to me, makes a lot of sense, right? So the one thing I've discovered is how I need to pair everything so it all works, right? So you pair your phone to this thing, you pair your phone to the Bluetooth via my helmet, and it just works, right? But what I've discovered, if I plug this thing in, start the Spider up, you know, and it goes to my helmet first, right? My phone pairs to my helmet, then it pairs to this, because this takes a lot longer to get up and running. I mean, it's not the quickest in the world, but it's fine, right? Then a couple seconds later it disconnects. So, man, my ear itches. I'm hitting buttons on my comm system. So what I discovered is I plug this thing in, I get it on, my phone pairs to the tablet, and then I turn my helmet on, and then it pairs to my helmet, and then I don't have any of that disconnect issue. What is this Harley doing? It is like literally slowing way down. I don't get people. I mean, I get it. If you want to crawl through here, pull off the road so people can get through here. What is wrong with people? You know, now the Jeep's all discombobulated. What are we doing? If anybody can make sense out of this, if they wanted me to go, they should have had a hand out the window, right? Alright. I feel that this is about to go sideways, so I think I'm gonna let everybody go, as we got some people jumping in the river. They got their cooler with them and everything. We're gonna have some adult beverages as they float down the river. It's a good day to float. It's like 92 degrees. Humidity is kind of up. Good day to float down that gorgeous little river. Got some campers. So I think what I'm going to do at this next water crossing, I'm going to let everybody go. And then I'll probably ride a little quicker than I should to get around Mr. Harley motorcycle and Jeep fella. Cute little house. Oh, they got a nice little view. The river gets super skinny. There's a channel on that back side. We got a car behind us. Come on. See? You let people go, people. You let people go. Dig it. That Mazda came up on me quick. I had no clue it was behind me until I kind of looked behind me, and boom, there it was. That's a cute little house. Yeah, I guess I'll just let everybody go here as we're looking at the cliff. Has the cliff moved down the... No. No. Very cool. I dig it. I really dig this road. It is so beautiful. Purple. So I looked it up. Purple means no trespassing. So if you come across the fence post and there's purple on it, it means no trespassing. So all of that. Purple, purple, purple. Cool, huh? Now, nice to know for me. I am not digging this road. Not digging. Not digging. Okay. If you could, give me a thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road. These people are... Yeek.